Hi, I'm Brad Mondo, and I'm doing my Billy Idol inspired look today. So it's gonna be really stuck up, crazy, kind of punk rock hair. So my hair is quite fine. I do have like a lot of it. It's pretty easy to style because it's very straight. It's like literally pin straight. I have no wave to my hair. You know, it does lay kind of flat, so I have to use a lot of volume products and things like that to make sure my hair stays up all day. I just washed my hair with my Polychrome color extending shampoo and conditioner. My hair is super red. Literally, the color is called super red. So I need to take care of my color as best as possible. And I need a color extending shampoo because this fades out quick. Red is so annoying. If you've ever had red hair, you know what I'm talking about. After washing, I typically put in a leave-in conditioner product. I'm using Hydromania Conditioning Mist. It's my favorite product just to make my hair really shiny, really smooth, and really hydrated. And then sometimes I'll use a comb or sometimes I'll just rake it all through. Just making sure it's all over my hair is the most important part. There we go. Oh, it already feels so good. I love this stuff. Next thing we're doing is using electrified volume foam. This stuff will make your hair so voluminous, like you could literally have the most fine, fragile hair and your hair will stick straight up if you wanted it to. You can do a blowout and your hair will literally stay in that beautiful blowout formation all day. I like to just shake this up. That's what it looks like. Put it right on my comb like this. And with any like foam styling products, this is such a great way to apply it to your hair. It makes it so much easier and it doesn't get all over your hands. I want to look like super punk rock because that's the vibes we're going for with the red hair sort of era I'm going through. It's all punky. It's all really like I said before, Billy Idol inspired. You know, he always had that really stuck up hair. And I loved it so much. So we're going to recreate that. Next, what we're gonna do is blow dry, okay? So the goal here is to make my hair stick up like I keep saying. So we're gonna do exactly that with the blow dry and just over direct the hair to the opposite side of where it lays. So that way we have maximum volume and maximum stuck upness. Let's do it. I'm gonna use my Dyson blow dryer. I love this thing, it's great. Also, a tip for the guys out there who have receding hairlines, like my hairline is not the best, it's not the worst, but I like to minimize like how receding it looks. And I just like to camouflage it as best as possible. So I usually pull the hair forward first. That way the hair lays like kind of forward but up at the same time. You'll see. So now that I have it all forward, now let's go in that up direction to make it stick up. Okay, the hair is dried and it's looking really insane and it's a lot for me to handle right now, but we're getting towards the goal here. So we're gonna now put in a texturizing product and I'm gonna use salty sea salt spray. I love saltwater sprays because it really gives you that like gritty, cool, lived in texture and I'm all about that. So let's shake it up and let's put it all over the hair. Okay, let's just use our blow dry one more time and just blow dry in that sea salt spray. Let's do it. Ooh, it's already looking gorgeous. Look at that texture. I can't. We're on to my favorite products. This is the one that I've gone through. This is called BDSM, by the way, and it's a slick and define balm is what we call it. I've gone through probably like 25 of these since making it, and it's only been like a year and a half or so. So this is literally every day I use this stuff. It adds shine to your hair, it adds separation, it adds hold, it adds hydration. So no matter what you're doing to your hairstyle, it's really great for it. I love using it on like wavy, beachy hair on girls to give them that like defined beach wave moment and make their ends a little more piecey so it looks more lived in. But for me, I use this stuff to slick my hair back or make it stand straight up. So we're gonna put it on my palms like this, and my hands are already turning red from my hair color. Red is stressful. It goes everywhere. Everything in my house is red at this point, but it's worth it. It's worth it for the look, you know? So let's put it on the sides of my hair first, and we're just going up. If it's up, then it's up. You know what I mean? Like, we're doing it. Okay, so we are working around the head now. We have all the BDSM product in there, and I'm going to start kind of twisting pieces on the sides and just getting it to be kind of like spiky. So I'm definitely in an 80s phase right now, and I actually stumbled across a picture of Billy Idol like a month or so ago, and I was like, oh my god, that is literally the look I've been doing. And then I started looking up more like 80s rock stars. It's everything I've ever wanted to be, okay? If I weren't a, whatever you wanna call me, entrepreneur, social media guru, I don't know, YouTuber, TikToker, I would be a rock star, okay? I can't sing exactly, but we could work on it and it would happen because I vibe with that life so hard. And I've been wearing also like a lot of eyeliner lately, so I feel like I need to wear like my hair super crazy as well to like complement the makeup. Definitely been wearing more black and just more like chains and like a fake nose ring. So I just love that whole aesthetic. I just love transforming myself constantly. So next time you see me, I may look completely different. Actually, I will. I guarantee that. Okay, let's hairspray it. Today I'm taking this Blue by R&Co hairspray. I really like the smell of it. It's a great product. And so it is a sort of medium hold hairspray, and we're just gonna hairspray it lightly. I can get very carried away with hairspray. I love hairspray, but it makes my color run. So we can't use too much of it because it has alcohol in it. So if you have colored hair and you want it to last longer, don't use too much hairspray because it will bleed and it will make your color run. So be careful, but you know what? We love it anyways. All right, let's just do the finishing touches here. Let's spike it up just a little more with the hairspray. And I think I look like a psycho, so we're there. I think I got it. This is the top, with the sides, and the back. I'm so into it. Come on. Like, are we into it or not? Changing your hair gives you like an entirely new outlook on life, I swear. It's wild. That's why I fell in love with this industry. It brings so much joy to my life to color my hair and cut my hair, and it brings so much joy to my life when I see other people trying new styles with their own hair, and it is so worth it. So give it a try. If you've never tried a new color, start off slow, build up to something bigger, or try a new haircut, try some curtain bangs, like something little. It'll really spice up your life and give you a whole new outlook. So good luck.